1869 Mach 1, R code 428 Cobra Jet shaker car. Super straight, super clean, older paint job. Sold in Los Angeles, was brand new, built in San Jose, California. Original color, candy apple red. Supposed to be original mileage 37,042. Fold down back seat. Never wrecked. Floor pans are gorgeous on it. I've got pictures if you need them. Rim blow steering wheel. Magnum 500. Almost all the parts for the power steering are in the trunk. I think the only thing missing is a pump. Stock exhaust manifolds. Aftermarket exhaust, 2.5. Price to sell, give me a call, 714-757-8437, or email rpmron@gmail.com. Thank you.